In this session, with year 2012 as an example, let's look into the current status of air quality in Hong Kong. According to a report by the EPD, air quality in 2012 was considered as stable. Over the decade, there was a slight drop in concentrations of some pollutants. The daily concentrations were within the government's set air quality objectives with the exception of roadside NO2 levels. Doesn't it sound quite fine?
Sadly, the actual situation was far different from this facade. Let's take a look at PM10. Though its annual concentration was within the Hong Kong AQO, it was still twofold of the WHO standard and the levels experienced by metropolitans like London, New York, and Paris. In reality, except for a brief period in July, the average amount of NO2 detected by all stations in 2012 exceeded the WHO standard. So as citizens, how much have we been affected by such poor air?
Estimated by the Headley Environmental Index, air pollution was associated annually with millions of doctor visits and hundreds of thousands of bed days of hospitalization, heavily burdening on our healthcare system. It was even linked to more than 3,000 premature deaths in the territory, which was a double of the death toll from all accidents, or 1/15 of total annual deaths. In other terms, 1 in 15 of all deaths might be related to air pollution exposures.
Total economic loss associated with air pollution, tangible and intangible, added up to 40 billion Hong Kong dollars in 2012. This amounts to 5 times the building cost of the Kai Tak Cruise Terminal, or 2% of the GDP. A strong link between visibility and air pollution was revealed by local studies. In 2012, the time with reduced visibility due to air pollution reached 887 hours, exceeding its average by 20%. The beautiful scenery of Hong Kong is lost, let alone the quality of life of its citizens. On top of these, this degradation of visibility tarnishes the image of Hong Kong and threatens the health of the citizens.
To conclude, air pollution is detrimental to individual citizens and society as a whole. Actions have to be taken urgently for the sake of the environment. In the final section, let's find out how we may improve the air quality together.